Hi everybody, I'm Norma Buchholz, the executive chef here at Brooks Winery, and today we're going to be going over the perfect pairing for October, which is a house-made fettuccine noodle, and we're going to saute it in a little bit of brown butter, some shallots, garlic, caper, lemon, little chili flake, and some mushrooms. And it is paired with our 2017 Muska Riesling. And this dish goes amazing with this wine. So to start, I just have some all-purpose flour here, and I've put it on the table, and you kind of want to make a little divot in here, kind of like mashed potatoes and gravy. And you're just going to want to take your eggs, put them right inside. And we're gonna let this rest in the refrigerator. Just gonna put it in a bowl, and I've just got some paper towels here that are a little bit wet. Just gonna cover it. I've taken 1/4 of the ball of dough. I just like to lightly roll it a little bit in some semolina, just so it doesn't get stuck in the machine too much. And then I will actually just push it down with my hand. And then from here, we're just going to roll it through. And now we're going to change thicknesses. We're going to start with 1, and we'll go to 2. Go to 3, or you go to 4, take it to 5, and the last one we're gonna go to 6. The length of this noodle will be too long, so I like to cut this in half. And then from here, I will dredge it in some semolina, that way it won't stick. I just will fold over a few times. You can go as thick as you would like, but I like to just cut the noodles about this thick. You're just gonna toss in the semolina. So to make our pasta, you're going to want to assemble these ingredients. We have red chili flake, capers, sliced shallot, thinly sliced lemon. We have some unsalted butter, minced garlic, fresh sage, and also maitake mushrooms. And then we're also going to be frying some sage leaves. We are going to fry these in 300-degree oil for approximately 15 to 20 seconds. Okay, we're just gonna get some water boiling and drop our pasta. 4 minutes. While that is cooking, we're gonna start our sauce over here. Just gonna add some butter. To that, some shallots. Capers. Lemon. Just a pinch of chili flake. A little bit of garlic, and those mushrooms. So now that you have the pasta mixed in with the sauce, just going to take it, just going to twirl it right in there. To finish over here, I've got these little fried pieces of sage that are nice and crispy. And then of course, can't forget all the cheese. And that is gonna be the perfect pairing for October. So, for my favorite part, try it over here. Let me see. Yep. Goes really well with the wine. This is a little dry. There's enough fat in here, cuts right through it. And then of course the spiciness goes extremely well with our Riesling. So cheers, this is very good. Come up to Brooks, try this dish. I have a lot of other great little things on the menu this month, but nothing beats homemade pasta, so cheers. For you guys.